Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome Perfect Laser. Our live show will begin now. If you can hear me clearly, please go 1 on the screen. If you can't hear me clearly, please go 2 on the screen, okay? Okay, let's begin now. I'm today's host, Andy. First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of industrial laser equipment since 1995, and we have more than 20 years history in the laser field. Our products include laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, laser engraving machine, and laser weighting machine. All the products have got CE, ISO, and RoHS certificate, certified by the International Inspecting Institution. As we all know, it's very famous in the world, right? Such as TOV and SGS. And we have got 63 national patents. The core technique achievement have raised the international level, and as a result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries such as Germany, Russia, Brazil, USA, Japan, Turkey, UAE, and many other countries. And we have enjoyed good reputation from our customers all over the world. And we have our 10 teams. 95% of our teammates have got bachelor or master degree. So we can provide quick response service and 24 hours after-sales service for our customers. Our goal is simple. It's to sell high-valued products at a reasonable price and to provide good service for our customers. And today, we will introduce how to choose a suitable laser marking machine according to your own needs, and how to mark beautiful logos and signs by our laser marking machine. In order to for watching, we are prepared the following benefits for you. All over $3,000, you can get a beautiful gift for you. The beautiful business card, metal card, 名片. All over $3,000, you can get. Wait a moment, please. 名片. All over $5,000, you can get a Chinese traditional notebook. 笔记本，中国笔记本。All over $5,000, you can get this. It's very beautiful. Chinese traditional notebook, all over $3,000. It's very beautiful, right? All over $7,000, you can get a beautiful tableware, with blue and white porcelain. It's very beautiful. Do you like it? It's very beautiful, right? So if you like it, you can place the order right now. And we have lots of many other gifts for you. And my dear friends, if you are watching now, please follow us by clicking the follow button, and you can find us the next time. And you can give us a like, a right side button. Okay? Now, I will invite our sales manager, Autumn, to introduce the laser marking machine to you. Now, let's give a applause to welcome Autumn to introduce our laser marking machine. Welcome.
Hello, Andy.
Hello.
Hello,
Nice to meet you.
everyone. Nice to meet you too. It's very glad to be here and work with our Andy to let you know more about the perfect laser as well as the laser marking machine. Yeah, and now as you have already get a little bit understanding of us, now I think it's time to let you know more about the samples, right? Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Okay, please be careful. Okay, I think maybe get a little bit. Yeah. Okay, Andy, can you come back here? Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, guys, can you see this clearly? I think we might not get a good angle. So if you think it's clear to see that, please let us know. Is that okay? Okay, is that okay? Okay, very good. Okay. Now here we can see, Andy, please here.
Okay.
Maybe I need your help sometimes. Okay. And you can see here there are a lot of samples here.
Yes.
Yeah, and both of them, no, all of them are something like different. And from this part you can see they are most likely some metal materials, right?
Yes.
And in this part you can see some non-metal materials like the plastic materials, PVC or something like that.
Yes.
Okay, so let me introduce that one by one. Okay, the first one, you can see this is what it's like. It's the stainless steel, what is like the bottle, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but you can see at the top of the bottle, yeah, here,
Yes.
you can see some beautiful flowers patterns. And I think you may not see that clearly. Andy, could you please show that?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. And this one is, we also get this one, yeah, here. All these beautiful patterns actually made by our laser marking machine. And we can not only make some beautiful patterns, but also some words you can see here. Okay, can you see that clearly?
Yes.
Okay, here also, maybe sometimes you can add some logos or some words here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Guys, can you hear me clearly? Should I use my microphone to let you hear better? Okay, thank you. Thank you for your help. Okay now? Okay, test. Is that okay? Okay. How? Okay, next one I think is just similar as this cylindroid body. It's this one. You can see here.
Yes.
Yeah. You see what is the difference? It's just a thing, and this is much thicker, right? So it means that no matter this one, or this one, the body is different, but we can also make some markers here. So please, could you please show it to us? Obviously, this is not the flat materials. It's actually the cylindroid materials. But we can still make some logos or signs or some like the serial numbers. You can see that serial numbers for us. So customers, don't worry about this because we have the rotary system for our laser marking machine. So you can actually do that, right? And the next thing, let's see. Okay, how about, okay, this one you have already shown to us, right?
Yes.
Okay, how about this one, I got this one. This is also the ring, the cylindroid body. This is the jewelry. And in the jewelry, you can see there are, Romeo and Juliet. You can see that, Romeo and Juliet.
Yes.
Please show that to us, okay? Okay. Sometimes you want to have some words or some date in the jewelry so as to commemorate a date like the anniversary. So it's very necessary, or it's very necessary for couples or friends or families to commemorate something. Yeah. And can you see that clearly? Okay. Let me do that for you. Yeah, can you see that clearly? I think maybe inside of it will be better. Just wait a second. Sorry, wait a second. Okay. Yeah, I think you can. I think you can get it. Yeah, great. This place. Yeah, can you see that? Romeo and Juliet. It's very. Yeah, as you can see, it might be a little bit hard for you to find it, but for ourselves, if I am wearing it, I will find, okay, this is perfect because I need this to so that I can always remember my boyfriend's name. Yeah, like this one. It's very delicate. And just similar, like the necklace or the bracelet, they can also made by our Rotary System. Okay, next one, let's see. Okay, as we have seen, these are cylindrical body, right? Yes. Now let's see something that is flat materials here. Okay. Then you can see here.
It's a pretty girl.
Yeah, it's a pretty girl. Do you see that? Okay. Can you show it to us? Oh, okay. I think this is similar. Yeah. This one. What about this one? It's the flowers. Yeah. Yes. And wow, this is beautiful. This is like the traditional, like our gift. You know, our traditional porcelain ware you have just seen before. So could you please show it to us? Thank you so much. And in my hand there is like a mirror. In the mirror we also have some paintings, the beautiful girls here, and I can even see very clear of his hair. Even every hair can be seen clearly. So it means that the marking machine should have high precision and high efficiency so that they can make this delicate paintings, right? Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay, next one, dun, 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 is this one. You can see that? It's like, I think it's more like a cat. A little bit, yeah, cat and tiger, just like a monster maybe. It's like, maybe it's like a monster, but there is a little bit difference between that, you can see. Could you please, let me show it to you, okay? Hello, my friends. Could you see that clear? Okay, how? Sorry, okay, that will be fine. Let's see this part. Okay. That clearly because let me illustrate different craft, you know. Inside of this can be marked like inside of the surface or under the surface, but in this side the drawings, the paintings is above the surface. It's actually totally different crafts, but for our laser marking machine we can do both of them, so feel free about that. And if you want to get some creative things by the laser marking machine, just let us know. Okay. And now let's come to something related to the non-metal materials, okay? Okay, how about this one? Do you know?
This plastic?
Yeah, it's plastic. What is used for?
Used for mark on the road.
On the road? Actually, it's used for machine. No, actually no, it's for the animals, you know. Yeah, it's for the animals, like the animal ear tag. Oh, yeah, so that people can distinguish which one by these numbers. Yeah, right, by these numbers. So it's very important for marking the numbers or the serious number of these animals, so that people can do easier job in their statistic work. You know, statistic work, and as well sometimes if you find, oh, my animal is gone or my cow is gone, they can just freely find it. Yes. Yeah, by just arrange, to manage this, right? And what is the difference between this and this?
Is dark or not dark.
Just to see the information, the difference of the information. Can you see that? Wait.
So to know the differences between them.
Yeah. Have you seen? Actually, it is the barcode. It's the barcode. With this code, you actually can just scan it, and all the information you will know that about this, right? you know about this information of the animals, right?
Yes.
So, however, if this barcode is not so clear, like I cannot see this angle, or it's a little bit whiter or unclear, what if these things happened? Then you cannot scan it, right?
Yes.
All the information will be disappeared, right?
Yes,
It's
yes.
very, it should be very frustrating for us, right? For the customers or the customers, buyers or consumers, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this time we should know that the laser marking machine is very important to keep this information complete, right? So the barcode should be very clear. How to do that? That should be made by our laser marking machine, right? Because our laser marking machine is has high precision, right? Yeah, and yeah, of course, and because this is used by the laser marking technology, so it can last for a long time, even permanent. Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay, next thing, let's see. Okay, this one. Yeah, this is very special. Can you see that?
It's a monster?
Yeah, it's like a dragon. Could you show it to us? Yeah, use that blank. Yeah, could you please show it to us? My dear friend, can you see that clearly? Can you see that clearly? I think if we can just turn it around like this. Yeah, I think you can see that, right? Okay, next time maybe Andy, could you please help me to show it to us, right? Okay, and this one we can see it has the 3D surface actually. Not all the laser marking machine can make that. It actually made by our special 3D laser marking machine. Yeah, I will let you know later by introduce the whole series of our laser marking machine. Okay, and yeah, you can see it's very delicate.
It's amazing.
Yeah, and it will make the drawing more vivid, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's like a dragon is just coming out. Okay, next thing, let us see what you want to. Okay, you can pick one of them.
What about this?
Okay, this one, I think I just, yeah, it's a card. I think I just mentioned this before, right? A card is just like this. Maybe this is a aluminum sheet, and this one is like a galvanized sheet. Yeah, it's the different.
Name card?
Yeah, name card. Yeah, you can do that name card. And please remember, if you can order in our live show, you will get a exquisite gift, and one of the gifts will be this name card, right?
Yes.
Yeah, please just take this chance. Okay. And next thing, let us see. Okay, this is the switch, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the switch panel you can see here, the white one and the silver one. Could you please show it to us of this silver one? I think this is beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Do you want this? Okay. Thank you so much. My dear friend, if you are seeing this switch patterns, you will see there are some words and even some paintings in this switch paddle. Okay, so even if you have some children at home, right, and they cannot read the words, but they can still see the drawings, the patterns on this switch panel, so that they can use it very easy. So that's why we can do that, both the words and the patterns. However, to do a clear pattern is not that simple. We must have a great efficient laser marking machine to make it, and that's why we want to do that. Okay. So people have already seen that. Okay. So here, and you must know that this is the plastic materials. So besides the metal materials, we can also do something in the plastic materials, right? Yes. And we have introduced a lot about this. And how about, let me see. Yeah, how about, oh, okay, I got this one. Do you know what it looks like?
Telephone number?
Yeah, it has a telephone number. I think it's very fancy. and it's very, let me say, humanized.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see this one. Yeah, okay, please show it to us. Okay, thank you so much. This one is actually used in our cars, like decoration. And you have already seen there are some, there are the telephone number there, so you can mark down your telephone number together with your information. So in case you are not in your car and others need to call you to remove your car, and this one will be very helpful to let others find you. Yeah, and also there are some pictures here, and this is a rabbit. It's so cute, right? So we can also add some patterns, add some drawings inside of this board. I say this board. So if I were a stranger, I see this one, I will feel like, okay, this car owner must be very cute, right? And maybe humorous because he used this cute animal patterns, right? Yeah, that's good. Okay, here you can see. Okay, here you can see. Yeah, this one. This is also very cute.
For pet?
Yeah, that's right. You're so clever. You can see. Please show it to us. Thank you so much. But also, please, okay, let them see it clearly. That's perfect. And you can see there is a semi on the surface. It's like your pet's name of it, and also your telephone number and some like the information you want others to know. It's actually used for the pet dogs or pet cats, so that if your pet is get lost and someone find it, then you then the others can quickly find you by call the telephone number in this pet like the information identification card. Yeah. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let me see this. Okay, and how about this one? Okay, this might be should be the last one. Okay, and this one is a spoon. It's very large spoon. Actually, I will not use it normally, but who knows, right? And you can use the laser marking machine to mark your logos. Here you can see. I think this is a daily necessities, right?
Yes.
I'll show it to us.
Okay.
Thank you. This is the daily necessities. Everyone will use it every day, nearly. Yeah. However, if these logos might be disappear one day, I think it will not that fancy or beautiful. So that's why we use our. You can use our laser marking machine to guarantee the permanent patterns in here or the permanent logos in here, right? Okay, and that's all for our today's samples representation, but this is just a small part of it. Later on, we will show you more about our samples, and we'll let you know how to make these samples. Okay, do you feel excited to know more about that? Okay, so let's wait, and please patiently wait for our watching. So Andy, could you please help me to take this away? Thank you so much. Okay, let's guess a little bit slowly. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now as I just presented a lot about our samples, and all these are made by our laser marking machine. However, we actually have a lot of laser marking machine, and they actually have different series. So different series of it, so we can introduce you one by one about the series. Okay, could you give me a handle so that I can point it one by one? Okay, so this should be our, okay, you can see what is the characteristic of this. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, you can see this, the whole picture. You can find that there are a lot of marking machine with the blue color and the silver color. I think it's really fancy or it's stylish and fashionable, right? and it make it look a little bit to elevate its level, right? Okay, to see this 400 series, we might see it one row by one row. Okay, let's see the first row. Okay, you can see this first row, 400A, C, H are actually the portable one. Yeah, because you can see, please compare with this one and this one. You will find that they are smaller, right? And you can see there is, okay, here is a handle of it. It means that you can just use it to handle that. So they are smaller and portable. It means that it's very convenient for you to take it to the place you want to do some markings. And let's see what is the difference of this one and that one. Okay, here you can see, oh, can you find that this is a PEDB 400H? I will show you more details about this one later, because we have bring this machine here and you can see that very clearly. And okay, let's see the second row. Here is 400B, 400B1 and 400E. You can see that these are just similar. And this is the hot selling one. Why this is hot selling one? Maybe it's because first it's the desktop laser marking machine. It's easy to take as well, and you can find that this is blank. However, when you get some optional items, you will change its applications. It's very like a mysterious thing. Yeah, and you can see here the difference here is because these have a rotary laser system. And here you can see it has a seamless slicing electronic shift working table. Yeah, and that is the difference between among these three products. And actually, these are optional. So if you buy this one, you can choose to add these optional items or this optional item, similar like the 470, 460 or 60S or 80, yeah, 800. These are just similar. The only difference is here. You can see that there is a conveyor belt here. No matter if it is small or it is longer, it just depends on your needs. But we can see that why we should use the conveyor belt is actually because they need a larger production or batch production or mass production, right? If you don't have a large production, this might already meet your demand. Okay, and this is the brief introduction of the 400 series. Let's look at the next series. Okay, this one, you can see that. Is that okay? Hello, my dear friend, can you see that clearly? Okay, perfect. Okay, let's see this. Compare with this series with the former one. What do you think of the difference? Obviously, they are smaller, right? In the first row, they are already small and they are portable. And this one, they are even smaller. And you can see that. So, since they are small, it means all of them can be portable. And also, we can say that handheld. Yeah, let us see. You will find that there are three types of it are hot selling. The hot selling is the 100A, 110, and 450. Okay, let's see what is the difference between that. Yeah, you can find that this one, we have the blue light mini laser marking machine. It's very special actually. Not all the machine have this blue light, because usually we are using the infrared light. Okay, and for the next one, this one. Okay, yeah, you can see that clearly. Okay, let's see the next one. This is the 110. For this one, why it is hot selling? It's actually because it used the advanced technology from Germany, and to make sure the laser source can keep the stable performance as well as the high reliability. Okay, and for this one, yeah, do you think this one is much more beautiful? I think, because the colorful design of its appearance. Yeah, you can see this is also portable, so you can take it into anywhere that you want to make some markings. And as well, indeed, this is the first is a totally new generation of the portable marking machine, and because of its laser source and as well as its the inner software. Yeah. And for the next one, let's see. Okay, the difference of this is it has a computer display, so you can get a price with the computer display. But in others, in other types of that, I'm really sorry, this will not contain the computer. You have to buy it by your own, but we will send you our software. Okay, and that's all for the mini type, the small type for us. Andy, could you please help me to let us see the next one? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let us see this one. Wow, I think you can get a you can get a conception that these are larger, right? Because all of them have a cabinet. Yeah, this is the cabinet, and inside of it we have our. Sorry, let's just move it. Okay, inside of it you will see our easy CAD system. And okay, let's see this. There are two hot selling products. That is the 400D. Don't you think this is a little bit familiar? Because we will introduce it later. And and this one is here. Can you see that? It's this. Yeah, it says 400D, and we will show you more details about that, okay? And so let me introduce the others. Okay, this one you will see there is a round panels. Can you see that? There is a round panels. Okay, like for different applications, like the turnable table type, they actually used for things you can see here is the animal ear tag, and this is for surgical instruments. Okay, and with the other things you will see, this is for LED light bulbs, and also have some mobile phone markings. So you can see actually they are nearly customized for a specific goods. So if you have the similar requirements, you can just let us know. We will introduce you the suitable one. Okay, okay. And Andy, could you please help me to adjust it? Thank you so much. Okay, now that's all about our series. Okay, I think we have got a better understanding of our machine, right? So now let me introduce that one by one. So the first machine I will introduce today is the 400B. Okay, during this time I will introduce you about the lifting handle. Yeah, I can adjust it. Yeah, you'll find it's easy to move it, to adjust it. And when I'm using this, you will find the head is moving. You're getting down and up. So it is to adjust the distance between the head with the objects. Yeah.
然后调这两个红光，目的就是让它重合。
Okay, and now we should adjust. Yeah, okay. And please see this two red lights. And when we find that the two lights is together mixed as the one light, that means okay, it's done. We find the right point. Okay, now what now we should do?
然后我们要在这上面打一个图案和一个狗的名字打在。
Okay, now we can see here in the computer, we can see the whole picture, what we should mark in our objects. Now it's time to do the markings, right? And yeah, 你可以操作。
然后我们这里
Okay.
设置好之后，我们要打开激光器。
Okay, as we have already already completed the settings, now we have to open this. Yeah, by press the green button. That is the main button. Okay, the machine is Yeah. Okay. The machine is operating now.
然后按下 FED 键可以红光预览。
Okay, if we press the F1, yeah, here F1, keyboarding the F1, press then we can see.
可以看到这个红框就是我们要打标的位置。
Okay, we can see a circle here. It's just similar as what we should marking here. Okay. So that we can guarantee the we can guarantee the drawings, the numbers are at the right place. But during this time, we should adjust it until it get the perfect place. You may have questions how to make these 2 points together with the 1 point. That is rely on our auto focusing system, because you can see inside of it there is a laser red light, and here we also have our red light pointer, and together with this it finally make up our auto focusing system. So you will not worry about whether we get a good place. Okay, now is that okay? Okay, done. Let's do it. Well, it's very quick. Can you see that? Yeah, we can see that. Can you see that clearly?
只需要6秒钟。
It only spend our time about 6 seconds. It's really fast and it's amazing. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, and we can see it clear about with the name and as well as the telephone number and also the drawings. Yeah, okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
我们接下来在钢笔上进行测试。
Okay, let us show you another sample, and here you can see this is a pen. 什么材质啊？就不锈钢吧？ I think it's a stainless steel pen. Okay. Okay, let's do this. And we'll mark a logo. Okay, we'll mark a logo on this cover. Okay. Okay, how to do that?
一次测试3次。
Okay, we will mark 3 pens once a time. Okay, can you see that clearly? Yeah, I think it's very clear to see it. Perfect. This angle is perfect. My dear friend, if you have any questions or if you want to see more samples, please just let us know by leave your message. Okay, we'll find that. Yeah, can you find that the engineer is adjusting the place because it have to mark 3 of them, so he should focus that one by one. Okay. Okay, done. Let's do this. Wow, can you see that clearly? It's very quick. Please pay attention to that. Yeah, it's amazing. And yeah, here. Okay, it's organized. Can you see that? Andy, could you please show me to this? I know this one. Yeah. Here. Yeah. That's great. Yeah, even though we marked that 3 at once, all of that have already marked very clear logos here. Yeah, it's very clear. And exquisite. Yeah, you can see that. It's pretty. I think if we get some drawings there, 这能打画吗？
不能。
只要是那个字是吧？字和 Okay, as this is very thin, it will be better if we add some logos or some serial numbers. Okay, here. Thank you so much. 搞定吗？还有吗？
我们再来测试这个，之前打的是金属的，然后测试一个 PVC 管，
Okay, as we just marked some materials about the metal materials, now we have used this one. This is the plastic materials. Yeah, let's do this too. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Mr. Wu, have you already done your job? 准备好了吗? Okay, now we have done this. Let's do it. Wow. Can you see the ultra red? Yeah, no. Can you see the infrared light? Oh, it has done. It's so quick. I even didn't end my words. Can you see that clearly? Wow, it's perfect. Yeah, can you see that? Well, it's really great. And it also is the logo of our company, that is the Perfect Laser. You can still choose your own logos or some numbers here, but okay, that's all for this 400B samples presentation. Now we have seen the samples. You must find it's really amazing to make by these samples. So let us discuss about the features. What is the features it actually have? Why can we say that this is very hot selling, or yeah, okay. Okay, can you see that clearly? Okay, here. As you just see 3 samples there, right? Okay, now actually we can make a lot more than that. We can make a lot more than that. You can see that about the applications. The fiber laser marking machine, the 400B, is of good quality output beam and high reliability based on the system, and it can be carved both on metal materials. We just use that to mark on the pens, right? And some non-metallic materials. We also mark it on this one, right? You can see this is actually the plastic materials, and as well, we can see that it can make it for some smoothness, fineness demanding, and such as the electronic products, as well as the metalware, watches, jewelry, IC, plastic buttons, and other graphic surface. So it actually can use for the usage of is versified, right? And the effect on bitmap marking is particularly outstanding. Yeah. And how about the features? Andy, could you please send this to me? Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. About the main features, you can see here. Can you see that? Okay. Okay, done. No, done. Thank you, Andy. Okay, first is the beautiful marking results. I think you have already seen that. It's really beautiful and it's very clear. This machine can meet user requirements of the various elaborate patterns in the tiny surface. And secondly, it's about the high rate of electronical optical conversion. Why we say that? Because we have this digital galvanometer scanning head. Because of this, and together with the laser source, so we can achieve the high rate of electrical optical conversion. And you will find that there is no power coupling loss, right? And saving the operating cost, the laser device has 100,000 hours lifetime. It's really low. It's nearly like the 8 to 10 years. So we can say that the lifetime is so long, even it's permanent. You can just imagine what kind of things can last for 10 years. in our modern society. So we have to say that it will save you most of your cost to maintain your machine. And as well, it has a high speed, high efficiency because it significantly improves the marking quantity at the same time, accelerate the user's return of their investments. Okay, of course, you can see that the structure is compact. It has the engraving structure, so it makes us easy to take it and feel convenient when you do this markings. Okay, thank you so much for this. Okay, I have said a lot about the features. So what it will be like compared with the ordinary fiber marking machine? Let us know that. Okay, here you can see compared with ordinary laser marking machine together with the ordinary fiber marking machine. Let's take a look here. Okay, as we just mentioned a lot of marking items it can be done. Here we will illustrate several of them. Yeah, here is the several of them. One will be much different of that. You can see that no matter the keyboard, the mobile cell, or the mobile charger or aluminum things, all of them are metal materials. Just compare that metal materials. Ordinary fiber laser marker may have some rough or poor contrast of it. However, for our 400B, we have the smooth and high contrast. So that is a big difference between the ordinary one with our 400B. And also you can see that actually for this machine we may use different brand laser related technology. Yeah, here is we can see there are MOPA, Ricus, Max IPG. All of these actually can be applied in our laser marking machine, but it depends on your own needs. Which one you want, it depends on you. Now we give you a list here, a comparison list here, based on these performance parameters. You can see such as the pulse width, the frequency range, the turn-on time. They are different. So if you need, let me just give you an example. If you need the pulse width like between among the 4 to 200, you can choose the MOPA, this one. However, if you want that will only for 200, you can choose this one. Yeah, the Ricus or MXX IPG, that will be okay. Okay, next thing, let's see what is the difference between the 400, yeah, the 400B together with, yeah, thank you. Yeah, we can see that no matter the plastic or the metal one or the metal one, they have the difference, like we can see. Yeah, I just mentioned before, the 400B will give you a high contrast on color, on the neat edge and smooth surface. And for some thin metal one, we also have no deformation. Yeah. And of course, this one, heat effect is very important. Why we say that? Because when this machine is operating, it will generate the heat. If the heat is too high, it may affect the operations. And also, it may affect the final patterns we want. Okay, here, you will see that the 400B will not have this problem. Okay, that's all for it. Okay, how about, we have talked a lot about the features and the difference between our 400B and the ordinary marking machine. Let's do some samples for you, okay? Okay, welcome Mr. Wu again. Okay guys, can you see that now this time we'll do something different. Yeah, we'll do something different. Can you see that? Yeah, okay. This is actually the cylindroid aluminum material. Okay. As I mentioned before, we can not only do some flat materials but also unflat materials like this one, the cylindroid materials, or some irregular or sculptured. Okay. Here we go. 这个是干嘛？哦，固定是吧？
不然它滚跑了。
Okay. Okay, now we can see there are two red lights here. And let's adjust the lifting handle here. Then we can get a 1 point here. And we can remember this. Yeah, we can remember this. The height of it. Yeah. The height of it is like the 13.5. Sorry, the 13.5, and this is the distance. Okay, here are the range of where we should mark. Okay, now is that okay for us? 可以吗？
手不要放进去。
Okay, now let's go. Let's do it. Oh, have done. Is that 2 seconds or 3 seconds? 2秒还是3秒? It's so quick.
3秒多。
Yeah, it's nearly 3 seconds. Can you see that clearly? Okay. Wow. It's perfect. Yeah, just like our logo. Is that have it done? Okay. Thank you so much. Guys, can you see that clearly? And we'll just move to another one. Let's see, we'll move to another one. Yeah, and before we move to another one, maybe you have some, you want to know more about our 400B. And now is the best, now I think it's a super time. Why we say that? Because we actually have the September promotion event here. Now let me introduce that for you first. Of course, I have talked too much, right? If you can support us, just support us. Click the follow button here and click the thumb up to support us. Really appreciate you. And also please remember this machine, the 400B, today in our product list is number 3. You can check more details in our product list, and then you'll find all the things that you want, okay? And of course, today we have some promotion policy here. Yeah, can you see that clearly? Yeah, if you order over $7,000, you can get a discount of $100. If you order $3,000, you will get a discount of $50. Guys, now is the best time. Yeah, if you like this machine, please just do not hesitate to get it, right? Okay, and as well, we can give you several gifts that you want, and it's like a surprise for you. Yeah, can you see that? Okay, I see it's very small. You can see this. Yeah, can you see that? This special gift, do you want it? And we also can provide you the parts that value is $100. If you can recommend someone else, like your friends, to get it here. Okay, and how about the gift? You may question that, what is the gift like? Here, one of it you can see is a notebook. Let us see. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, this notebook is so good. It's fancy. Wow, you can see. Wow, I want to get one of these. To be honest, I really want to get one of this. Oh, here you can get the calendar of next year, and also you will find a pen here. Wow, it's a little bit heavy. I think it's high quality. And this one, you will get a USB here. All this will provide to you, okay? And that's all. Let's see the next thing. Oh, here. It's actually the traditional porcelain tableware. Yes, the traditional porcelain tableware. Here. Can you see that clearly? Okay, nice. This one can actually, I think, can improve your feeling when you are doing a dinner. When you are doing a dinner with your family, together with your family, it will make the dinner better, taste better because of this tableware. Because of this tableware, can you see that? Yeah, and it's very it has very beautiful, like here. It has very beautiful flower patterns here, so it's very special for you as a gift because it may represent the Chinese characteristics. As you can see, there are a lot of gifts we can provide you, so please cherish this time, cherish our September events, and cherish our live streaming promotion policy for you. We have prepared that for a long time, right? Okay, so now let us show you more about the 400B. Actually, besides the machine, we can provide you the optional item. What does that mean? It means that without except this machine, you can still add something on your machine. And for first one is the rotary system. Can you see that clearly? Yeah, can you see that clearly? The rotary system is here. It's this small things. It can be added here. Let me show it to you. It can be added here. The rotary system added here. What it can be used? Actually, this one, the jewelry, things like the rings or jewelry or necklace, it's something like they have no flat surface. It's the circular surface. So we can use this rotary system to mark something like the names. You can see the names. Yeah, I think you can see that. Okay, I think. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, you can see that. This is made by this rotary system, please remember. Okay, and besides of it, we also have the different packaging for you. And different packaging is actually based on your own needs. Maybe you want to use it for the air freight, or for the sea freight. Maybe you want to save your the delivery cost. So you can use things like this. The cartons made by ourselves will guarantee that we provide you the best protection package for you, so that you will not worry about the delivery. Okay, here. Okay, besides of these optional items, you should know about the maintenance, because they are machines. They have to be cared about. So we have to make this day, week, year maintenance for our products. It's actually very easy. For the daily maintenance, you can see here, we just need to clean the work table every day and all the mirrors by alcohol every day, and ensure there is no dust on our focus lens glass, because lens glass is very fragile. So we have to keep that there is no dust there. And for the week maintenance and monthly maintenance, they're just similar. Just keep the operations very smoothly going on, and also the mirrors and the cleanliness of the whole machine. And for the year maintenance, let's see that. Check all the components in the machine and make sure all these components are in good working condition. And that if you can guarantee this maintenance, I promise you that the machine can be worked without maintenance. Okay, now let us see another one. Okay, I have mentioned a lot about our 400B. So it's time for us to see the 400H. Which one is that? You will see this one here. This one. Okay, can you see that? Okay, that one is the 400H. You'll find it will be smaller, right? So let me give you a brief introduction of it. This 400H type is actually the handheld type fiber laser marking machine. It can both work on the desktop, where you can remove the brackets and make portable markings. And later on, I will show it to you. Okay, and this design can meet a variety of production needs. Why we can say that? Because it is flexible and it's portable. We can use it to do something marking on the side of the machine or on something that cannot be removed. And next thing is the machine is compact and lightweight, easy to carry with the small fringe, and the marking speed is 7,000 millimeters per second. It's really fast, and so it can guarantee the high efficiency. And adopting the imported laser source, the core components of the lifespan can reach to 100,000 hours. I mentioned before that is 8 to 10 years. Yeah, 10 years without maintenance is really surprising, I think. Okay, and about applications, I think we once mentioned that. You can see that it can mount on both the metal materials as well as the non-metal materials, and like the electronic products, the metalware, the watches, the jewelry, IC or plastic buttons, and other graphic surface. So let's see it, okay? Now let me show it about the details of this machine. Yeah, here it is. Can you see that clearly? Okay, let's make a comparison with this one together with the 400B I just introduced you before. We can see that first they don't have this part. They don't have the big workplace. Instead of that, we have a 3D working table here. The 3D working table is amazing. Why I say that? You can see here is a handle, right? Here is a handle. Can we get closer to see it? Okay, let me adjust it to you. Here is the handle, so we can adjust the height of this 3D working table. And we can put our objects on this working table here. And here you can see on this there is a flexible. This is actually fixed. It's fixed, but it's also flexible. You can see it's the fixed bracket. Yeah. And on this bracket you will find our digital galvanometer scanning head. It's just as similar as the 400B. Because of this scanning head is made by our is imported. It has the Germany technology, so we can improve the precision of this laser technology. And behind of it, you will see there are also 3 buttons here. Yeah, I will not mention again what it will be like or how we use it. It's just the same. Yeah, it's the same function. And here, yeah, this is very special. You can see this blue part. Can you see that? This blue part. It's actually the portable handle, the handheld handle. So it means that you can just grab it to take it to the place you want to make some markings. Okay, and this is the most special one. Yeah, and also inside of it we have the lifting handle here, and inside this we have our cooling air system, air cooling system, as well as the EasyCAD the software system. Okay, and that's all for this one. Okay, now let me show it to you. So welcome our engineer, Mr. Wu, to make some samples for us. Okay, thank you so much for our Mr. Wu. Can you come here?
Hello.
Let's see Mr. Wu again. Okay, please remember this items you can still find it in our product list, and the number of it, the number of it is 3. You can just check out the product list, the 3. You will find the PEDB 400H. Okay. Okay, inside of this there you will also find our laser source, power laser source. As you can see, this is small, so it will not include the computer. You have to use your own computer to open this machine. However, we prepared you the software. As you know that we will, you can start it.
这个开机跟这个是一样的。
Yeah, the opening processing is just the same with the 400B. Yeah.
也是先打开机体，再打开钥匙开关。
Yeah, so we first should press this one. We press this button, the emergency button, and then we should open. Yeah, you can do that. And then we should open the key switch. Yeah, and we will find out the red light here. Okay, can you see that? Okay, next step.
再打开软件。
Yeah, and we can open the software. Software, open it by just click some documents. And then 1, 2, 3, yeah, get it. The software is CAT software system. And we have a control card here inside of this cabinet. And I should mention that the software can meet different Windows version, like the SP version 7, 10, 11. All this version can be supported by our software, and as well we can support the software like some special technical software. Okay.
然后这个机器是有2种功能的。
Okay. This machine have 2 functions.
然后现在看到的是第一种，就是做一个台式机整体的一个。
Yeah, of course. First, we can see that here is a 3D working table. This is one function of this machine. And how about the other one?
第二种就是做一个手指式的，然后把它拆下来，落在手上。
Yeah, and the second one, as I just mentioned before, it can actually be taken by our hands. It is a handheld machine, so we can make this unfixed with the machine, and we can take it anywhere we want.
我们先解释第一种。
Okay, now we just present this time. This object with some object on this 3D table. Okay.
然后我们在这个开关面板上面。
Okay, now we choose this one. Can you see the switch? The blank switch, the white blank switch. Now we will get something on this surface. Let's look forward it. Okay, now you can operate it. Okay, first we can see that. Okay, one more thing I should mention is that you can see, because we have this bracket, if it already sets the distance between the light with the object, so you have no need to adjust the distance. It's very convenient. Okay. Have we done? Oh, now let us find the place where we should mark. Okay? Okay, we have already find it.
再打开激光电源。
Now let's open the main button. Can you see that green button? Okay, it's okay.
现在我们就可以，这上面已经打标了。
Okay, now is the time. Let's do it. Perfect laser will show on this switch. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds. We have done it. It's very quick. Yeah, let's let it. Yeah, can you see that? 3 seconds. Only 3 seconds. You will get you will get this perfect laser logo in our switch. Okay? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Wu. Now let's see what is the applications or the features it actually has.
我们接下来是要
No, wait. Mr. Wu, just wait a second. So let us know what more about the features. And after that, we can show you more about the samples. Okay, here you can see that. Do you see that? Let me just make it brief. Okay, here you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 advantages here. However, I would mention only one of it, and it is the desk and portable dual using design. And this is the biggest feature of this machine. You'll find that you can not only mark on desktop, but also can mark at any places by hand. Just imagine, if there is a large machine here, like a fridge here, and you want to get some patterns on that, will you move this machine here to mark? Well, of course you will not, because that is too heavy, right? However, you still want to make some patterns on that, then this, of course, this one will be your best choice, because you can see here, this will be your suitable choice. Yeah, you can see here, you just handle it and press it to the machine, next to the machine, and then you can get your markings. And of course, we have the perfect marking results, the high rate of electronic auto conversions, and as well as the integrated structure. They are just similar as 400B, and you have already seen that. So I will not say more about that. So let's come to another word. Let's do a comparison. Let's do a comparison with the 400B together with, okay, let's do a comparison with 400B and 400H. What is the difference? First is about the type. For 400B is the desktop, however for the 400H is the handheld. And also, okay, you can see that this one, the nominal average output power. Actually, I think different machines have different output power. So you can see the 400B have the output power from 10 watts to 30 watts. However, for the 400H, it's from 10 watts to 50 watts. The range of this is larger. And also the central emission wavelength is a little bit different. You can see the 400B is from the 1060 to 1070 nanometer. However, for the 400H, it only have the 1064 nanometer. So this is just a little bit difference of that. And about this one, they are just the same. So. And that's all for the comparison of 400B and 400H. So now welcome our engineer, Mr. Wu, to give some samples for us. What do you want to make this time?
Oh, 我们现在接着展示第二个功能。
Yeah, now is the time to show us the another usage of this machine, okay?
然后我们要在这个四面镜刻字。
Okay, we will get some logos. 我们的标吗？
对。
Yeah, we'll get some logos in this surface. I think this is aluminum alloy material. Yeah, let's do
先把
that.
这个拆下来。
Okay, first we should unfix this. Let's see how to. Okay, let's see how to unfix this. This handheld scanning head is here with this, and together is the handle we have. So now we are unfixing. Wow. Then we can get a portable handle. Okay, we have done it. Just wait a second. 等一下，瞧一下这个。Just wait a second. Let our dear friend to see clearly. Can you see that clearly? Yeah, I think we have done it. Okay, first we have to find the red point. Can you see that? The red light point. Okay. 可以了吗? Okay, let's done it. Let's do it. Wow. Oh, can you see that? I've already seen the laser. Now it's the perfect. Wow. Can you see that? I even want to try it. My dear friend, do you want to try it? Okay. Thank you so much. Let's see this. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, great. Laser. Perfect laser. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. So we have already seen the two ways to use this 400H, the handheld laser marking machine. So what about the particular parameters of it? Actually, okay, now I think it's parameters of it. So let me present it to you. Just wait a second. Okay, can you see that clearly? Can you see that? Okay? Okay, now let's see that. Let's make a comparison with the 400B and 400H. Yeah, you can see that all of these parameters are the same, like the laser switching on time or off time, and as well as the repetition rate, they are the same. And what is the difference? You can see, of course, a big difference is the net dimensions. Okay, for the 400B, it's only 80 plus 38 plus 72 centimeter. However, for the 400H, we only get 70 plus 20 plus 50 centimeter. It's obviously smaller than that, and that's why it makes it so popular. Because we want a machine as light as possible, right? And the next thing is that, okay, this should be mentioned. The marking speed. The marking speed is 7,000 meters per second. It's so fast. And as well, let's see the difference. You can see here, as I mentioned before, the pilot laser is different. Actually, we can still choose a wide selectivity of the laser based on our laser power laser source. You can just adjust it, so it is customized. For this one, for 400B is 650 nanometer, and for this one it's also 650 nanometer. Okay, here we have make a comparison with these two of them. Okay, I guess you have already get a better understanding of this machine. This is the 400H. Please remember, now if you want to get it, now is the best time. Why I say that? Because today we'll give you a lot of promotion policy or gifts for you. So let me introduce that. First, if you want to order this, once the order is above 7,000, you'll get a discount of $100. If you get an order over $7,000, you'll get a discount of $50. It's really nice. And as well, we can see here, you will get Astro's surprise gift for you. I showed that before, but in case some new friends here, I think it's necessary to show that to you again, right? And as well, if you can recommend some of your friends that you know, you will get the Astro gift about the parts related to this machine that value about $100. It's really amazing. This. Okay, thank you so much. And how about the gift? First, if you want to get the gift, please remember to follow us here. Follow us by clicking the follow button. Thank you so much. We need your support. And you can see more live streaming in future once you add the follow button. So you can find it easy to find more of our live streaming. And also give us a thumb like to support my work. Thank you so much. And as well, yeah, here. This is the gift we can provide you. Done. And we have a red box, and inside the box we can get a notebook. It's really exquisite. It's really exquisite notebook. Okay, here inside of it. Yeah. I can even get the smell of it. It's so nice. I want it actually. And after this live streaming, I will ask my colleague to give one of that to me, okay? And besides of that, we have a pen. This is a red pen. It means lucky. It means luck in your future life. So you actually can get this. Maybe they can turn your lucky things in future. And as well, here you have a USB here. So indeed, if you have this gift, you can get a notebook, a pen, and a USB. Yeah. And here, we also prepared you porcelain tableware. Here it is. Yeah. Can you see that? This is actually a series of it with the beautiful flower patterns here. You can see the porcelain flower patterns here. Wow, it's exquisite. I hope that they can also marked by our laser marking machine. And I hope it will give you a good time at your dinner, at your lunch when you use it. And when you use it, you'll remember us because that is the hours gifts for you. Okay, thank you so much. And that's all for the gifts. Now let's come to the last product of today's live streaming, and that is the 400D. Okay, before I present you this, let me give you some introduction of this product. Okay, you can first, this laser marking machine adopts newer technology, and the fiber laser sources service can reach 100,000 hours. That is 8 to 10 years with without any consumables and maintenance. And consumables is really important because nowadays in our environment, we have to make things economical and environmental friendly, right? So consumables is important, and it can also save our cost. Can be an effective cost for us. And the next thing is that this fiber laser marking machine with PC is an ideal choice for customers who have special requirements for small or fine laser beams and character. You will know that this one is the only one have the computer display. Yeah. And the last thing is the software has already been installed and the parameters is settled. So feel free to use it by just click the open button and operate it. Okay. And that's all for it. Okay, how about the applications? You can see that it's actually widely used in mobile button, plastic transparent button, electronic parts, IC tools, communication products, as well as some like the accessories, like the daily necessities, and also the auto parts. So no matter they are metal or non-metal materials, we can mark it. Okay, we can mark it, and that's all for it. Okay, you can see some picture. Yeah, you can see some picture. like the knife, right? The knife, the aluminum sheet, yeah, the pen, we just show it. Yeah, that's all. This is also pen. Yeah, thank you so much. So let us see the machine. Here is the machine. Yeah, first we can see here the difference. Let's just see the difference. Of course, it have a computer display here. You have a computer display, and behind the computer display, you will see the adjustable. Yeah, here adjustable 3D working like the bracket for you. Yeah, this is the bracket, and the button is here. You'll find 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the button is more the former ones. You'll find that, and we'll let you know. And here, yeah, you can. This should be the it just should be the main switch to keep this open and closed. And beside that, here, beneath of it, there is a, here, can you see that? There is a cabinet. Yeah, this is the and there is an industrial computer inside of it. And here you can see, of course, the lifting handle, the ruler scale, and the digital scanning head, the mirror or the lens, and the laser source, as well as the working table here. And here you will find the air cooling system. Yeah, air cooling system, you can find that. Air cooling system is better than other cooling system. So that's why we use this to make it operate smoothly. So now let's welcome our engineer, Mr. Wu, to open it. Thank you so much. To open it and make some samples for us. Thank you so much. Yeah. How to open it? 怎么打开？步骤说一下。
从这个上面板。
Okay, now let's see this panel here. The buttons.
右边依次往左边。
Okay. If we want to open this machine, we have to open the button one by one from the right to the left. Let's do it.
然后你可以直接读这个。
Oh, and here you can see this is sweet. Yeah, this is the sweet notice for us. If you use it for the first time, like me, I was using for several times. I mean, some engineer maybe they are unfamiliar with this machine. They can read this notice. It will tell you how to open it, the turn on steps, the turn off steps. Yeah, okay, let's do it. And you will see this computer. Connect the computer. Yeah, connect the computer is the supporting bracket. It can be adjusted with 360 degrees. It's very convenient, and it can care about your operation and processing. Okay, wow, this is the patterns we are going to mark. This is a dragon. I think the pattern is sophisticated. So let's see it.
然后在这个蓝色的金属明面上。
Okay, we'll choose this card. We'll choose this card. Okay, you can see that. We'll choose this card to do this marking.
我们先找好位置。
Okay, let's find the point. The laser point.
然后再打开。
And after we find out the point, we should open the laser power there.
打开激光点。
Okay, open the laser power.
然后就可以直接打标了。
Now let's do it. Wow, wow, it's so quick. Wow. Wow, we can see that. Even though, okay, let me show it to you. Okay. Yeah, can you see that? Wow, you can see that even though this dragon drawing is so sophisticated, but we have made it nearly 1 second. Only 1 second we have done it. And instead, the Perfect Laser logo cost our more time, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much for your presentation. And later on, I will call you. Okay, we have done this. You can see here. Okay, can we show this features? What are the features of this machine? Yeah. First, we should focus. Okay, is that okay? Okay, first we should focus on the humanized design. You have already seen that the computer display is there, and behind that we have the adjustable, the flexible bracket, so you can adjust it at any angles you want. And the principle of the humanized mechanics is taken into full consideration of the user experience, so it can improve your work efficiency and simplify your operations. And second thing is the high quality imported laser source. I mentioned before, the stable laser beam, the smooth and fine marking lines are all due to the high quality imported laser source. It's from the Germany technology. Okay, the next thing is the high-speed marking. The high-speed marking is shorten the time for processing the workpiece and increase the order per unit time. And as well, we have the high-efficiency electro-optical conversion. And this is due to this is also can be regarded as the zero power coupling loss, no consumables, and no maintenance. You will find it. And as well, the last one, you can see that the low power consumption is only 0.5 kilowatts per hour. Okay, that's all for our main features of this 400H. Okay, and now let's welcome Mr. Wu again. Let's welcome Mr. Wu again to show us another samples. Okay, thank you so much. Welcome.
我们接下来的测试这个，这是一张黑色的名片，
Okay, 这个什么材质？
这个是氧化铝。
Okay, now this time you can compare with these two materials. 这个是什么材质？
这个是普通的
铝合金
铝合金的金属名
Okay,
片，这是
this
氧化
one.
铝。
Okay, this one. These are all aluminum sheet, but they have a little bit difference. It is alloy and can you see that? Yeah, this one is only the aluminum sheet. Okay, here you can do that for us. Thank you so much. And now we have to adjust it to see only one red line point. Yeah, only one red line point. Yeah, we have got it. We have got it. And that's the thing. 下一步 next thing. Let's see. Yeah, we should control the framework where we want to mark. Okay, we have done it. We have done it now. Yeah, let's do this. Woo! Wow, so quick.
Yes, it's amazing. How about this machine can do this?
Yeah, let's see. Oh, what joint it is? Oh, it's a chrome, I think.
是一个熊猫。
Oh, it's a panda. Wow, I didn't find it. It's a panda. Yeah. Thank you so much. I guess some friends may like this. Patterns. You can see that this pattern. Oh, it's so cute. It's actually the panda. It's panda. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. And now we have already seen the panda in our aluminum sheet. So can we give a comparison between this 400D and 400B? Okay, here can we see that clearly? Okay. Okay, let's just make it simple and brief. Okay. So 400D is standby one, and 400B is desktop. So this is actually a little bit different. between them. And also, we can see that the output power is different. The output power is different. Yeah, you can see. And this is the only difference between that. Oh, it's just a small difference. If you want something with a computer and the type is standby, you can choose the 400D. However, if you don't want the computer, the price will be lower, and the type is the desktop, you can choose the 400B. And also, if you need some output power among 10 watts to 30 watts, you can choose 400B. However, if you want 10 watts to 50 watts, you can choose the 400D. Yeah, and that's all for my introduction of the difference between 400B and 400D. And thank you so much. And I should mention again, the 400D in our live streaming product list is 5, number 5. Number 5, you will find our 400D. And for the 400B, you'll find that is the number 5 is 400B, and number 6 is 400D. Sorry, I repeat that again. Okay, for 400D, you can find it in number 6 in our product list, and 400B, you'll find in our product list as 5 number. Okay, and 400H is number 3. Okay, that's all. And now let's just welcome our engineer again to give us the last samples today. The last samples today. Here we go.
这个是304的不锈钢。
Oh, okay. We can say this is the stainless steel material here. Oh, wow! It's like a mirror. I can use that by myself. Yeah, I can see that as a mirror. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah. This is the stainless steel. Okay, this is the stainless steel. Okay, let's see it. Okay.
然后是
Wow, this is so
然后
cute.
刻上这个图案。
I love this painting. Do you know, guys, what festival it will coming? And that is the Mid-Autumn Festival. That is the traditional Chinese festival. So here you can see, here you can see there are 2 rabbits are eating the moon cake. And also we can see a lovely moon above them. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, the first rabbit is coming and the second rabbit is here. Sorry. Okay, we have done it with a perfect laser logo. Wow, it's so delicate. It's so delicate. Let me see that before. Okay. Okay. Can you do that? Okay, let's see it. Let's see it. Can you see that clearly? Yeah, I think you can see that clearly. There are 2 rabbits and they are eating mooncake. I want to eat mooncake as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Wu, to present our samples here. Okay, now I think we can make some extra gift for you. As I mentioned before, in our little gift there is a notebook, right? And in the notebook you can see some USB like this. And this can also be marked by our laser marking machine. Let's do it. Is this the last one? Okay, finally we come to the last sample here.
这是送给客户的礼物。
Can provide you, so we can we will not only give you the USB, but also with our logo on it.
可以刻上他想刻的任何内容。
And also we can mark anything that you want in this USB, like your name, like birth date, like also some patterns like the rabbits before. It depends on you. Okay, let's do it. Oh, done. Only 1 second, I think. No, just here. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, okay, you can see that. Okay. If you want to get this 400D, you can find it in our product list with the number 6. Okay, thank you so much. And this, let me show that again. And these are the samples we have. These are the samples we have today. Okay, until now we have made a thorough introduction or description of our products. That is the 400B, 400D, and 400H. So if you still have any questions related to our products, please feel free to let us know. We will support you at our best with our best service to you. Okay. So now let's welcome our host Andy here.
Okay. Thanks for the introduction about our laser marking machine. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Okay, it's so nice machine. It's so nice. It can make so many beautiful logos and designs, and it can work on so many different materials such as stainless steel, aluminum, galvanized sheet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have many different types such as 3D lifting types, mini types, prototype, and many other types.
Yes.
Yeah. What's more? Yes, we have special design and customizability. If you have any special requirements, please contact us right now and send you a special design and materials to us, and you will get free samples, and we will make free samples for you. Okay?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
really nice for
okay.
us.
Okay. Here are some questions for our customers. Okay. Autumn, would you please answer these questions for us?
Okay, that will be my pleasure.
Okay. Question 1. What kind of material can be marked by the fiber laser marking machine?
Okay, it can mark all kinds of metal materials, including the stainless steel type, the carbon steel, the mild steel, aluminum galvanized zinc sheet, etc. Also, it can mark on some hard plastic materials.
Very good. Number 2. What is the marking precision?
Okay, the marking precision can reach actually plus or minus 0.00 millimeter. It's very high precision. It can make very beautiful sign on your products.
Okay. I'm sorry. Wait a minute, please.
Oh, just let me do that.
Okay.
Oh no, this is okay.
Number 3. How about the marking speed?
Okay, the marking speed can reach 7,000 millimeter per second. It is very fast, so it just takes several seconds to make a logo on your products. So if you need to work with production line, we also have an online laser marking machine for you to choose. It can mark automatically when the product done.
Yeah. Next one. Number 4. What color can be marked?
The laser marking machine can mark white or other color on your demands. Normally, the laser The laser has no color. The laser marking is remove the surface color of your product. If your product is is electroplated, the laser will see the color and reveal the former color.
Okay, next one. Number 5. Can't mark colorful colors.
For stainless steel, it can mark colorful color by choosing the our PEDB 400C type.
Okay, next one. Number 6. How about the marking effect?
Okay, the laser is a non-contact marking. It won't damage the surface of your product. The marking effect is delicate. It not only make permanent sign on your products, but also can improve the appearance grade of your product.
Okay, very good. Number 7. What is the working area of laser marking machine?
Okay, the standard marking arrow is 110 plus 110 millimeter. We also provide 175 plus 175 millimeter, 200 plus 200 millimeter, and 300 plus 300 millimeter big working arrow.
Okay, next one. Number 8. What's the laser source brand?
Okay, we actually have many laser source brands for you to choose, like the Max, Raycus, JPT, IPG. All of them are reliable brands in the world. The laser power is from 20 watts, 30 watts, 50 watts, and 100 watts.
Next one. What is the software of laser marking machine?
The software is EasyCAD. It is a professional marking software with friendly interface and can support many files with different formats.
Okay, number 10. What are the marking materials? Fiber laser marking machine and UV laser marking machine.
Okay, the fiber laser marking machine is mainly suitable for marking on all kinds of metals. The UV laser marking machine not only can mark on metals, but also can mark on many non-metal materials like the hard plastic, wood, glass, etc.
Okay, next one. What is the difference between jet printer and laser marking machine?
For inkjet printer, the content printed can be modified. Also, the sign can be removed by the cleaning liquid, while the sign made by laser marking machine is permanently, it cannot be removed.
Okay,
Yeah.
next one. What is power consumption?
Okay, consumables. For inkjet printers, it needs many consumables. You have to change the ink and solvent liquid every week, while laser marking machine don't have consumables.
Okay, number 13. What is the consumables of fiber laser marking machine?
Okay, let me see the question. The maintenance, you mean?
What is the consumables of a fiber laser marking machine?
Okay, the fiber laser machine has no consumables. It's free of maintenance. It can be used at least 8 to 10 years without maintenance. Once invested, whole life benefits.
Yes.
So
Okay.
let me see. Oh, they are the
Yeah,
business
some business
problems.
questions.
Let's
Yes.
see the business problems people may have.
Yes. Okay, number 1. Are you a factory or a trade company?
Of course, we are a factory and we have nearly 20 years production experience, And also we can make sure to customize the products based on your own needs. So, and as well, yeah, you can see that if you have any special needs, please let us know.
Okay, number 2. Where's your factory located? How can I visit you there?
Well, actually, our factory is located in Wuhan, Hubei province. Welcome to visit us at your convenience.
Okay, next one. How long is the lead time?
The lead time is 7 to 10 working days. Please feel free to contact with our sales manager right now to start your purchasing plan so you can get the machine very soon.
Okay, number 4. How about the warranty?
Okay, warranty, actually normally our warranty time is 12 months, while in today's live show we can give you 3 years warranty time for the whole machine. It's
Really?
Yeah, it's really
Yes.
a good chance for you to buy one during this month.
Okay, number 5. What is the trade term?
Okay, both FOB, CIF, CFR, EXW are favorable. Just choose what you want.
Okay. Number 6, what's the payment method?
The payment method, we actually accept wire, transfer, credit card, Western Union, PayPal, Alibaba Trade Assurance.
Okay, number 7, what about after-sales service?
After sales service, we are responsible for offering the free part during warranty time. After warranty, the parts will need repaired or changed in customer cost.
Okay. Next one, do you have any certificates?
Of course we have. All the machines have passed the C certificate, so you can rest so you can feel free to order from us.
Okay, number 9, do you arrange shipment for the machines?
What? Please
Do
repeat
you
that
arrange
again.
shipment for the machines?
Okay, we arrange shipment. Of course, we can arrange shipment based on FOB, CIF terms by sea or by air. We have very professional team for shipping. For EXW price, shipment should be arranged by your shipping agent.
Okay. Number 10, what about the packing?
Okay, finally come to the last question. All the package are comply with the international exporting standard, so please don't worry. We can deliver the machine to your factory and make sure it is safe.
Yes, it's nice. It's so good.
Okay.
Thank you for your answer.
You are welcome. It's my pleasure.
Thank you very much. Okay. So everyone, okay.
Okay, now here we go. As we have mentioned a lot about the questions that customers may want to know. Now here, let us show some series that you might not see that so frequently, because these are actually the special. These are actually the special one for us. Okay, you can see that here. First, we have the 3D laser marking machine and also the UV laser marking machine. Can you see that? Okay, for the 3D laser marking machine, I want to show you the samples. Like we can have the if something with a irregular surface, like the unflat surface or sculptured surface, you can actually use the 3D laser marking machine to realize the markings in our products, in our goods. And we can see that here. There are 3 types of it. And this is small one. And you can see that this is much smaller than that. And with the handle, you can handle it. So it's very flexible and convenient for you to take it. And for this 2 types, you can see this is the unflat curved surface market as well as this one. Yeah, and of course we have the UV laser marking machine, because sometimes the metal can absorb the ultraviolet, that is the UV laser, the UV rays higher than the infrared rays. So that is why we have this machine. It can be done by some when you are marking something with higher demand on the markings. So with this machine, you can get finer graphics, like more exquisite, more like the better or like the higher standard for your machine or for your goods. Yeah, here you can see. Let us see that. Okay, and you can see this 3 of them even have the protection cover, because people, especially for some foreigner customers, they pay attention to their environment and their health, because when they are operating the machine, it may cause some like the dust outside, and may even cause some dust that is noxious to our body, to our health. So with the cover, you can see with the protection cover, you will not worry about that. All the things, all the remains will keep inside of this machine, and you can just keep yourself safe and keep the whole environment clean and healthy. Okay, and that's all for this introduction. Okay, now let's see the next part. As I just mentioned, there are several protection cover in the UV. Okay, in the UV laser marking machine here, you can see all of these with the protection cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, and 2 of them even hot selling. Why this is hot selling? I think it's very obvious because it's so small. You can see this is the smallest among this series, and this is a small fiber laser marking machine with the protection cover, and the series is PEDB 200. Okay, it will make it very convenient for you to take it. And also you can see this small one and some bigger one, this one, and even you can see here, we even have the conveyors there. Yeah, we even have the conveyors there. And oh yeah, let's see this. CCD camera auto positioning laser marking machine. This is actually the leading, the advanced technology, especially by the CCD camera auto positioning. It means that when you put the products inside of it, it can automatically positioning without your self-operation. So it's really convenient and high efficiency for that. And also can see the smoke purifying and fumes extractors. As I said before, when you are operating this machine, it may cause some smoke or some fumes when you are marking the goods, because the goods are diversified. We cannot know what it may cause by doing this operation. So with this machine, the smoke and the fumes can be purified and can be extracted, so it can keep the machine and keep the whole environment clean and safe all the time. Okay, that's all. And this is absolutely very large. So for this large one, if you have some large materials or if you need some mass production, this will be necessary for you to down your massive production. Okay, that's all for the introduction of our laser marking machine with the protection cover. Okay, let's welcome back our host, Andy.
Thank you. So, thank you very much.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
Thank you for your answer in the introduction. It's very helpful for us.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, because if we can have a full introduction for our products, then customers will know that what we can actually do and how you can choose the suitable one that meets your demands.
Yes, so everybody, through a detailed introduction about the laser marking machine, I'm interested to have one unit for your self-business right now. As we can see here, about the certificates. Wait a moment, please.
Okay.
Okay, you can see this is the CE. Okay, next one.
Okay, this is the C certificate, right?
This is the certificate from SGS.
Okay, as well, okay, let me introduce this.
Okay.
And also this is the ROS certificate. And we all know that the CE certificate together with the ROS certificates are certified by European, right? The European institution. It means that our products can meet the requirements of the European countries, right?
Yes.
And European countries usually have the strictest standard, right?
Yes.
So it means
this means our products has been complied with the European standard. So it is very safe to buy it from us. Now please place order right now. Now it is a good chance to buy the machine. And
okay.
in order to thanks for you Okay. Wait a minute, please. Wait a minute, please.
Let me help you. Let me help
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. And in order to thanks for you order and to celebrate the September Shopping Festival, we have prepared a lot of benefits and gifts for you. And if you order over $3,000, you can get a card, a major business card.
Okay, like this one.
Yes.
Let me show it to you. Okay,
Okay.
this one.
This one is pretty.
Yeah, you can continue. Instead of one piece of it, we'll give you a box of it. Okay.
Okay. For over $5,000, you can get a Chinese traditional notebook.
Oh, notebook.
Yes, notebook.
I love this notebook.
This is very pretty.
Okay, let me help you.
Okay, this is the Chinese traditional notebook. Can you see it clearly? It's very beautiful. Okay? And then it's a pen, it's a USB, and it's a notebook. Okay? Very pretty, right? Okay. For over $7,000, you can get a pretty tableware with white and blue porcelain. It's very pretty, right?
Yes, what else can we do?
Do you want to take it home?
Yeah, of course I want to.
It's so
take
beautiful,
it.
right?
Yes.
Okay. I believe it can create a wonderful dinner time for you and your family, right?
That's right.
Okay, if you want to take it home, and don't worry about that. Now you can take out your mobile phone. Take out your mobile phone to do the screenshotting right now. Okay? Your mobile
Take
phone.
out your mobile phone. Yeah.
Yes. Don't worry about that. And I will give you 10 seconds to do the screenshotting.
Okay. 10 seconds.
Yes, 10 seconds to do the screenshotting. Okay, let's count together, okay?
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Ready?
10,
Go. 10,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay? I've got a screenshot of the page, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you again for your time. Our time flies. And if you like the machine, now you can contact us right now. And if you want to visit more live show, and you can follow us by clicking the follow button now. And if you welcome to visit our website to see more introduction about the products and see more videos. Okay. Our time flies now. Thank you very much for your watching. And now it's time to say goodbye now.
Okay, and don't forget, if you are not in the live show, please remember you can still get our products coupons, right?
Yes.
You can still get coupons and promotions by just give us the screenshot and send it to the sales manager and tell them that you are in this live streaming, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. And
Now,
waiting for your order.
yeah.
And see you next time.
See you next time and
Bye.
bye-bye.
Bye.